That's good. That is not the weaponsmith. I just want to get a bit further because I think the next monster I'm fighting is either the... Oh my god! Leanne, thank you for the follow. Did Aaron tell you, say, hey, come on quick? Thank you guys, thank you. Wow. I never thought I would actually reach 50, to be honest. What should we do? Like, I still don't even know what affiliated actually do. Thank you guys. I feel like I'm gonna tear up now.
Welcome. How can I help?
Oh my god, Wendy's actually here. How long have you been here? You haven't said anything the whole time. Yes, we can make it. Woo! Where's the balloons? We need to bring out the balloons. So, people who are affiliated, what does this mean now? I don't know what this means. Right, we can replace this weapon now. And... what? My bow is worse? Oh wait, it's probably because it's worse than that one. I love how you were like, I'm not really interested in streaming. Look at you now, 50. It's because you and Ollie and everyone else I've watched, they have so much fun with it. And I thought, I want to kind of give it a go. Maybe I will like it. And here we are. I do enjoy it. Like, talking to people and playing games, it feels more natural than I thought it was before. Like, before I thought it was kind of like, oh, how do I manage to keep up with the chat at the same time as talking to everyone? Because I don't want to ignore anyone. See if it's something you really want to do. Big deal. Hey, when would you? Oh yeah, someone gifted you. You get an email to sign up and accept. That's when you get a contract. Affiliate rating means you can have monetize your stream. Oh, okay. That's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna read through the contract first. I've always learned to make sure to read through everything to make sure it's all okay. But I mean, it should be okay because literally you guys are doing it, so... But yeah. I need to compare my weapon. Yeah, that's 65. This is a lot better. Hi, Dota lady. Wow. What I mean? Oh yeah, I get emotes as well. The only thing... Have you found that your weapon is not needed to... Have you found that you've not needed to upgrade any of your weapons? Yeah, I literally haven't upgraded my weapons because I just keep making new weapons. Emotes, yeah. I need to design emotes. The only thing that bothers me is like channels that has advertisements in them. Like, is there a way for me to turn it off without when I become affiliated, or is it turned on automatically? Oh, Chris! Hello, Chris! I made it to 50! Who would have thought? Yeah, I have 50 followers now. It's crazy that people like watching me. Or find me interesting enough to follow. Oh, I don't know. I'm really like, I don't know. I don't know how to express myself. You see advertisement unless you sub to pay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's why I don't get adverts when I'm watching Aaron and Ollie, because when I was sub to them, literally nothing happened. Like there's no advertisements or anything. I thought I just turned it off, to be honest. That would make sense why I don't get ads when I watch Chris and Rexy and everyone else that I got gifted a sub for. I was like, why are they turned off? Yay, Ray! Deserve this. All the love in the world. Oh, you guys! Don't make me cry! Not on stream! Let me use this cool mist before I forget. One of the benefits of sub is no ads. Okay, yeah, that's one of the perks. What other perks do you get apart from no ads and no and emotes? Search for the Ngalante. Oh god, we're not fighting now, are we? I still don't really know what my theme is gonna be. Like, I made a Discord and I called it the Archives, so something to do with books. I don't know yet. I need to think about it. Jump, jump, jump! Oh, I jumped into a dead end. What do you mean? The quality of the content and you bursting eyes out for a good few minutes. What do you mean by my eyes? My eyes bursting? Oh. But you guys have been great. Like, you guys have been so supportive as well. So I think I wouldn't have, like, I definitely feel like that is people like talking on the chat actually made it. Like, if I was just doing it by myself, literally just talking to myself, I don't think I will have just as much fun. So, Chester. Crying. No, I'm not gonna cry. Channel points, emotes, sub, bit, badges. Ah. So what does partnership mean then? Because there's like, in the achievement section, there was like affiliated and then partners. I'm guessing partners is like kind of like the big boys realm, right? It's getting hot in here. I don't know where we need to go. What? I didn't run into anything. Oh, it ran into me. Partnerships means Twitch pays you. Oh. I'm guessing that's really hard to get then. if you're gonna get a corporate sort of like business to pay you. When you get 1k followers, the 1k followers and subs, that resub will have our crying for a. I don't think I'll make it that far. Literally, like, there's so many people that is on Twitch, and most channels I watch, I don't think they're even partnered, and they do way better content than I do. Like, they spend so much time, like, editing transitions and stuff like that. Like Chris's channel, it's like TV worth watching, and like the transitions and stuff like that he makes, and he's not partnered. So average of 75 users, that was never gonna be me. I'm just barely getting like 5 sometimes. What is that? I can't break it. Oh, Tom. Hi Tom, how are you? If you average 20 views, that puts you in the top 1% of the Twitch creators. Really? 20? That is insane. I thought 1%. Hello. How are you? You doing good? Every single time I see your name, I always think, have you caught any fishes? I don't know why. Well, it's probably because you have fisherman in your name, but... Oh, we don't have to write Monsty for it. I only stream once every 2 weeks. Yeah, why are you streaming so little? Like, I thought you was gonna, like, stream loads. Oh, life is getting in the way. Oh, I should really finish reading all of the things first before saying. Didn't see you there. Been lurking, at work. Slunk. Hey, Tom. I haven't been fishing recently, unfortunately. Life has been getting in the way too much. Probably like 0.5 who makes this site money. Ah. Wait, did Mike come back? Oh, Mike, welcome back. Oh, thanks, Tom. I thought you was already followed. I don't know why, but thank you for the follow. We made it. Welcome back, Mike. Sorry, I didn't see your message. I didn't see it. This is why I won't be able to get to the top 1%. Oh. Thank you. I will get an email, I think. And then I just need to read through the contract to see what I can do, and then... Yeah. Like... I don't know if I have to do anything kind of like special, like do I have to stream a certain amount of times a day or something? Or is it just a very flexible kind of thing that I can do? Oh gosh. Just got here. Well, thank you. Exactly the reason why you get it. I keep going the wrong way. Then again, I wouldn't know where to go anyways. Adam! Thank you. You finally showed up! I texted you ages ago! Unless you've been lurking then. That's cool. No, congrats. You would do it. You have to stream from a hot tub at least once a week. Oh really, Chris? When's your one gonna happen then? When's Aaron's one? When's everyone's hot tub stream?
I sure hope we can defeat it.
Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious.
Can you blame me?
Dota Mister.
That's the monster that
Yeah,
takes
that's the
on Red.
Dota guy.
Red?
Me and Aaron are going to do a joint one.
My partner
A collab one.
he was-
Imagine that.
My friend in the Nergigante
Hot tub stream collabing
while he was in
all
rescue
together.
pits. And unfortunately, he didn't make it.
Whoa.
Oh,
The fish
I see.
in the hot tub, I don't think they can survive
That
unless they're
day,
like tropical fish that is used to like hot weather.
if I'd been stronger.
Oh wait, hold on. Did my sister
I knew
text me?
Red would still be here
She
today.
said yes please. What does she want?
Yeah, I know what that's like.
I don't want anyone
A chicken
else to
feast.
experience the same suffering we did when we lost Red. Especially not
Just
to
telling
the
her that I'll
helpless
order
ones.
it after this bit of
It
the
won't
story.
happen again.
Anna's right.
Struggle
Can't
cuddles
turn
in the
tail
tub.
now. We've gotta prove that we're stronger than the Nergigante.
I'm just reading this, just
You
laughing.
think so too?
Hot tub with whole onions
Let's
and
say you are
carrots and
strong enough to
turnips.
take it down. What's that going to
I
accomplish?
don't know if that's a good thing. Human.
We'll open up the road to the shrine for one thing, and we'll avenge Red while we're at it.
Do you think that's what he would have wanted?
Well, I'm not Red, so how am I supposed to know?
Well, what about you? Seems like you knew him pretty well. Something tells
Wait.
me that
Is Chris going?
Red would have wanted to find out the
Oh, wait, no.
reason for the Nergigante's
Ah,
behavior.
Okay, thanks Tom for coming by. Thank you for the follow again. I'll catch you later.
Whoa! Yikes! Is that the Nergigante? Hi, partner!
Thank you. Might have to break rules about it. I don't know about promoting cannibalism. Oh yeah, you guys, this is gonna be on YouTube as well. It's gonna be on my archives.
Maybe
You
we
guys
should
talk
head
about
back.
making human soup,
Hey,
and I'm
hey,
saying it.
what you doing, buddy?
Oh my gosh. Is it one of the Fated 4 monsters?
Reckless fools.
Yes! You recognize it! Oh my god. I don't think I'm ready for this. I'm fine with that, I'm openly crazy. Right. Full concentration on this. We need to make sure we kill him okay. So turn down the timer to 1. And I'm by myself as well. What? Where did the guy go? Oh, I'm using thunder weapons against it. We already know that it's strong against thunder. So, right, he's gonna be a speed monster, I'm assuming. So, let's bring out Wendy. Wendy, you're here now. You're a different monster. You're this monster now. Let's hope this is weak too. It's gonna use this first. Oh crap, he's not using speed. He's using technical. Okay, back to... Let's use Adam. In this game. I know this generation too well. Oh yeah, because you use... You played it a lot, didn't you? Well, I thought it was speed, because you know, the Axelos is really fast. Wow, she's a beaut. Ah, my teammate's here! Nice! Can you do look how pretty you are? Well, I'm sorry, Aaron. I'm not an expert like you. Right. We have Adam out now, so it's fine. He's using Bolt. Scorching Slice.
Let's go, Raffi.
Raffi! Suddenly it's daytime and outside. And now, suddenly it's inside in the volcano. I don't know how that makes sense, but yeah. Right. Adam's using heat up. He's gonna power up his moves. The details of the game is what matters, Chris! It's electrifying. Look for its next attacks. It'll start releasing energies to build up. Right. Aaron, what should I use next? I don't know what to choose. If he was technical before. Speed. Okay. Let's change to Ollie then. And I'll use speed myself. Oh wait, this other broken... We can break his wings. Oh my god, Aaron. You beast! How did you know? Wow. I'm not worthy. Oh god, what the hell? Right, I need to be careful here. Ollie, use the spear attack. Nice. Hopefully that'll stun him. Yes, it did. On a streak, mate. Yeah, it's all thanks to Aaron with his skills that he knows of this creature. It helps out in this one as well. That's crazy. 200 something. Wow, 300 something. This guy is really strong. Yeah, he'll be going back to tech, so back to Adam. Aaron is a pro at this. Right, so back to Adam for more power move. Nice, nice. Right, I'm gonna use a power move so I can... No, it doesn't work with these, because he's not a hunter. I'll do a power move anyways. Look at him go! And now we can double kinship. Why is he Sparky? Oh, because he buffed himself. He buffed himself up. Right. You guys want to see something cool? Dual action. I've never seen this before, so let's see how it works. Adam and the NPC. Well, my helmet covers my face. Whoa! It's just like the normal move, but combined with some of my move. Oh, Jesus. Oh, rotate. So he's not attacking anyone. I think he's charging up his attack. 1.8k big crits, nearly 2k. Yeah, things are getting so strong in this game. Right, he's back to doing that attack, so back to Ollie. Oh, actually, we can use Aaron. Let's use Aaron. Let everyone have some love in this battle. Right, we need to clip his wings. Nice. God, this guy is so cool. He's so edgy. Oh crap. Okay, I think we should be able to break his wings before he does another attack. Yeah. Get down. He's down. Look at those crit damage. All of them are doing so much damage. Gonna... Bloodsuck. I heal everyone? Everyone have health regen. What? I didn't know I had that skill. Snow spray. That's more cool. I've never seen it do that before. Right, he's back to power now, so... I mean, technical, so I need to use Adam. Did I break his head yet? No, not yet. Hopefully we can break it now. Flame Blaster. Wow, I heal as well. That's really good. I love that buff. Do I... Can I keep using it? Right, let's ride on. That lifesteal, yeah, definitely. It's keeping everyone alive. Right. Hopefully he'll have his kinship attack once I've reached out to level 3. Oh, I think he's charging up his attack again. His head is broken. Nice. Oh, we did it! We didn't even need to use a kinship attack. Ain't nothing we can't do together, like always say, teamwork's made the dream works! Yes!
They were below your level.
Teamwork it is. Hold on, Rafa. It's acting strange. What? What do you mean? Why is he acting strange? Wow, S. Thanks, Aaron. You did it for us. With your guidance, we were able to do it in S. Rank. Rating. Hmm.
No way! The wings of ruin again? Don't just stand there! Get over here!
Why are you letting the NPC calm it down? Calm it down yourself, man. No, what's going on?
Amonsti always stays true to the bond they've formed. But that also means they end up suffering the most when their rider makes poor decisions. Did you really
Rafa,
realize
welcome
this would
back.
happen?
Hey, there's no need for
You
that
and your
show.
Garuki
We're just trying to
first
stop a
try.
rage raid
I didn't
monster.
die,
What's wrong
thanks to
with
Aaron.
that?
Aaron helped me.
I get it that you want to protect
Thanks for the first try, Chris and
What you're
Aaron.
doing is making him suffer.
What are you talking about?
Ratha here is the one paying the price for your selfish obsession with the Nergigante.
I thought he was obsessed with it, not
It
me.
has nothing to do with the Nergigante.
Do you really believe that?
What? I didn't hit
Ratha
you.
is pushing himself to his limit, all for
He
you.
hit himself. I didn't do any of this.
My buddy and I just want to protect Ratha, but who could have known that it would have ended up hurting him?
I'm sorry I was so harsh. It's just that, well, you remind me of how I used to be when I was younger.
How?
H-
I don't
how
even
you used to
express
be?
myself through talking.
Yeah, I'll explain later. We should get Ratha back to the village.
What? That emote looks so cute. Where'd you get that from? Who's it from? Guffer. Funny cat emote. Funny cat emotes. Report back to Yumla. Right, I think once we head back to the village, I think we can call it a day. I need to order food as well, because my sister wants something as well. It's kind of odd they gave your main character voice. Yeah, you get to select a voice at the beginning, but you don't hear him talk at all, or say anything. I don't even know if he's even grunts. Right, we finished talking to the lady, and we'll call it there, and we can raid someone. Does anyone have any suggestions who we should raid? Slight link. Yeah, definitely. Thanks. I bet Rafa could use a break right now. Let's take 5 at your house, buddy. Right. I'll call it there. If no one has any suggestions, then I'll pick one at random. That who's streaming Monster Hunter. I need to take my time this time. Let's see. How do I go back to Twitch? Oh, there it is. Come join the archives. Thanks. Thanks, Adam. Thanks. Thanks, Mike. Right. Let's see. I'm not leaving yet until I find who I should give a raid to. Hollow Knight. Aussie Knight is... Aussie man. He's not playing though. Monster Hunter. Right. Well, this person has Let's Talk Food and Anime. So I'm guessing that's actually kind of quite good then. Let's make sure he's actually streaming first, because I don't want to raid someone that is not even there. You guys are all good. Yeah, I did say I was gonna make a Discord because Mr. Rafa was gonna play games, but then he didn't. He couldn't even join voice chat anyways. This person has an ad, so I have to wait till the ad finish first. Yeah, he's still playing. Cool. Right, everyone, strap up for a raid. I'm gonna say thank you for watching, everyone, and thank you for all your support, everyone. Like, absolutely. Like, you guys are great, and I don't think I could have done it without you guys. So, oh god, I'm gonna tear up. I need to start the raid before it's too late. Oh, let me set that up and then start the raid. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next one. And yeah, watch everyone here. So yeah, take care, everyone. Bye.